Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this vlogging camera below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlog Bundle, and this is currently the #1 bestseller in camcorders, with over 1,000 units sold in just the past month. Right at the core of this camera is a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is genuinely large for something this pocket-sized, and it records in 4K at up to 120 frames per second, so you're getting sharp detail even in tricky lighting like night scenes or sunsets. Framing your shots is easy too, thanks to a 2-inch touchscreen that rotates for both horizontal and vertical shooting, so switching between traditional video and social media formats takes just a second. One of the standout features here is the 3-axis mechanical stabilization. This isn't just software smoothing, it's actual physical stabilization, so whether you're walking, dancing, or chasing a pet around, your footage stays smooth instead of shaky. For vloggers specifically, ActiveTrack 6.0 is a huge advantage. Set this on a tripod, and it'll keep you centered in frame automatically, even if you're moving around, jumping, or spinning, so you don't need a second person operating the camera. Focusing is fast and accurate too, locking onto your subject quickly whether you're filming fast action or a still shot, so you're not missing sharp moments. For anyone serious about editing, this supports D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth, giving you access to up to 1 billion colors, which means a lot more flexibility in post-production, especially for moody shots like sunrises and sunsets. Audio is covered too, with built-in stereo recording for clear sound, and since this is the vlog bundle, it also includes the DJI Mic Mini, so you're getting genuinely clear, dedicated audio without needing a separate microphone purchase. Overall, if you want a compact camera that handles stabilization, tracking, color depth, and audio all in one small package, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlog Bundle is a really strong pick for anyone serious about content creation. I'll leave the link to this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlog Bundle in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.